Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and in today's video I thought of sharing my favorite brown shades. I already did a video on my favorite nude and pinky nude kind of shade which you all loved it, and thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you like my favorite brown shades, and which is this shade, can you guess it? You go ahead and watch my shades and comment down below which is this shade, and I will reply to you if your answer is right or wrong. So all the shades which I'm sharing it to you today, this was once upon a time in 90s. This was very hit shade, and if you are a 90s kid, you will definitely know that time it was every girl had a brown shade. So first thing I have here is Nykaa's Matte to Last Madras Kapi. They have a bigger one and you can try the smaller mini size first. So I took this one, and this is mini liquid lipstick Madras Kapi. This is really beautiful shade, and I will share. It comes, this is a mini size. The price of this I will be sharing on the screen of all the lipsticks, so maybe that is helpful. So I'll just remove this right now. Okay, so I'm showing you this shade, that is Madras Kapi. It's a cute, this much size. I think 199 ka kuch. The second shade I have is Masabas in the shade Nimbu Pani. This is a beautiful shade. I had shown this shade. It gives a hint of brown and pink in it, but it's a lovely nude shade. Can you see? It's like this. The next I have is from K Beauty in the shade Rumor, and this is called lip crayon, and this is retractable like this, but you don't get a sharpener with this. It's very creamy. Next I have is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade 08 Nude Dream, and the packaging is like this. The wand is like this. This shade is similar to the NYX crayon Budapest. Okay, this is somewhat similar. A Budapest shade, and this is Lakme Forever. It's a beautiful shade, everyday kind of shade, or I really love this shade. This is my favorite as well. Lakme in the shade 08 Nude Dream. The next I have is from Blue Heaven. This is very affordable. I think it is for 100 rupees or 99 rupees. I will share on the screen. Blue Heaven Elegance Matte in the shade number 11. I don't know the shade name is there. 105 is the price. I got it for 99 rupees, and the shade number is 11. I will show how the swatch is. The wand is same. This is a really nice shade for fairer skin tone, and it definitely washes me out a little bit, but I always use this above a darker pink shade. If you use उसके ऊपर ये shade लगाएंगे, and it really gives a nice nude pink kind of shade. So it's this 99 rupees का ही है, so you must have it if you want to mix it with any other dark lipstick and you want to tone it down. This is in the shade 11. Next I have is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 01 Browning Glory, and it comes in this kind of packaging. This is also a beautiful brown shade. See, it's very nice nude shade. See, the shade is like this. Next I have is from Maybelline in the shade number 657 Nude Nuance, and this washes me off little bit, but I like the shade in so I want to apply above some darker to tone it down. This gives my lips color Nude Nuance. again from Maybelline, and that is Chili Nude 09, and that is somewhat similar to the Nimbu Pani Masaba range, but this is more brick color. Can you see? It gives that coral brown shade. It's a beautiful shade, and ये बहुत हिट है, बहुत लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. It's giving very nice glow on my face. That's the right word. Oof. Next I have is from NYX Lingerie, and that's the shade Lip L124 Cabaret Show, and it's this long, and the wand is quite different. चपटा वाला wand है. I'm not a fan of the NYX wand. I didn't like it, but the shade is nice and gives a nude shade. It's very thick. बहुत thick है. So this is from NYX Cabaret. Next I have is from Faces Canada, and the dabba is like this. I still kept the dabba, and that is in the shade Brown Ashes 05, and I love the packaging. Packaging is somewhat similar to the MAC packaging, and so it's like this. So let's see how the shade is. It's Brown Ashes, but it is not brown. It has little bit of maroon in it. This is also nice everyday kind of shade. This is similar to the Budapest again, but that is in liquid cream, and this is in lipstick. Beautiful shade. Buy this. This is very nice. Shade number बताया मैंने? बताया ना? Brown Ashes. Nice shade. The next brown shade I have is from Maybelline, the Sensational Liquid Matte, but I don't know why I bought this. I regret buying it because it really washes me off, and maybe if you're very fair, this will definitely look nice. The shade is Barely Nude, and this is actually Barely Nude, so it does not give any shade. I really don't like this shade. Maybe to tone down the dark red or dark brown shade, this will look nice. So I just thought of adding this in this video. If anyone wants to buy this shade or fairer skin tone, can buy this. So this is what I told you, Barely Nude. What I have is Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade 28 Chocolate Truffle, and the packaging is like this in the pink dabba, and this is like this. इसमें भी थोड़ा सा magnet है. Okay, and the color is like this. This is dark brown. It's dark brown shade. And last but not the least is from Huda Beauty, and that is in the shade Vixen. It's a beautiful dark brown shade and long lasting. I have separate video on this, and there is another shade. It's very beautiful and very dark, and when it turns matte, it's long lasting. Like 9 to 6 jobs के लिए perfect है. So this is in the shade Vixen. Love this shade. So I hope you like all my lipstick shades, and the price of this I will be sharing on my screen. And if this video goes during the Nykaa Independence Day sale or something during that or after that, you will definitely get these lipsticks in a good deal. I will share all the discounted price and the link in my description box below. Click on my title of this video. a drag down box will open, you will get all the links below that, and there are some more coupon codes as well which you can save money using my coupon codes. So I hope you like my review and my shades. Let me know which is your favorite shades out of these, and if any other brown shade which you have it, I don't have it, so maybe I'll check that as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. Like, share and follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. I will share all my social sites. My Twitter ID and Facebook is same, Pam Station. Please subscribe my channel, help my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.